Hey guys, Dave with HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. Wow, how many times have you heard me say that? Hey, check this out right here. Pretty little truck. I like this truck a lot. This is a 2014 and looky there, it's a crew cab. So that is a Freightliner M2 106 single axle. And I'll show you the stuff on the back in a little bit. Right now I just want to walk around here and show this thing to you. I love those mirrors right there. Those are awesome. Nobody sneaks up on you when you're driving them. I just love it. Tires on it are good. Hopefully that'll focus in for you a little bit. Nice piece. Hey, it's got two of those fuel tanks. There's one on each side. You'll see it on the other side. Yep, takes dip. It's 2014. That is a Morgan body, and it's got one of those federally controlled, certified, clean idle things in it. That's the reason why it just shut off. I've had it running here a little bit. Hey, look at this. Deck's been replaced, and look at this down here. So there's a little dent right here, so you don't have to worry about it. It's already got a dent. Solid toolbox, no rust on it anywhere. We don't do rust here. We hate rust, as a matter of fact. We got the rub strips, and it's got the chain pockets. Look at the rear tires on this thing. Mercy sakes alive, it's built for bear. And looky, air ride rear suspension. Wow, you gotta love it. This has got the little steps right there so you can get up and down on the deck without having any problem on it. Pretty little things. Hey, look at there. See, we got the DOT tape on it for you there. More steps on this side right here. And here's a switch for that. And what we're looking at here is a Maxon 3,300 pound liftgate. Pretty simple, right? Can't hardly screw that up. It's got one switch. Up, down. Basically, that's all you need, right? There you go. And it's a tuck under, guys. Solid. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the ratchet strips here with the straps on it already for you. I love this truck. So nice. Such a nice little thing. 2014 model. Just as clean as you can get. There's the other fuel tank I was telling you about. And the interior, it's a crew cab. So you flip that little lever right there, and I think that thing probably flops down. You got storage right here, and it doesn't look like it's hardly been used. It is such a straight, clean rig. Look at this. Look at how clean that is, guys. It's amazing, isn't it? And you notice that there's no knobs on the doors. That's because you don't have to crank the windows on this one. She's got power windows, power door locks. It's got the 3-passenger seating. You got the air ride seat on there for the driver, and over here you got a twin passenger seat with storage underneath it. Looks like there's some flares and the extinguisher that you're supposed to have. Nice piece, very clean, very straight, very nicely done. Hey, she's got the fire-breathing 6.7 Cummins under the hood. Freightliner all the way, gotta love it. Side steps to get in the truck. Such a nice little unit. I like this truck a lot. So, she's got cruise control right there. There's the little lever right there. You step on that, and then you can tilt the wheel back and forth the way you want it. Look at the headliner, straight, clean, sun visors, everything's the way it's supposed to be. Look at the condition of the upholstery, and yepper, that is an air ride driver's side seat. And it's got a radio. Let's turn that down. Not exactly my kind of music. There you go, turn him down. You got all the switches here. You got heated mirrors, you got power door locks, you got an air dump right there, power window controls, automatic transmission sitting right there. Nice little truck. And we'll just crank him up because I want you to see that we don't have any check engine lights. We don't have any of that kind of stuff on there at all. And I'm going to zoom in on this if I can, because I want you to see 96,000 miles. That's it. And I'm going to go through this for you. Let's see, that's a trip meter. That's a trip meter. I know the hours are on here someplace. I saw them. There you go, 4,200 hours. That's it. 4,200 engine hours and 96,000 miles on the truck. Such a nice piece. Air brakes are right there. Let's see here. Just various controls. Such a nice little piece. Nice, clean, straight. Floorboards are good. Nothing weird or dumb about it. Look how nice and straight that is. It's amazing. Very nice. Hey, we've got a 26,000 pound GVW, if you can see that right there. 2014 model, 6.7 Cummins, Allison automatic, crew cab truck. 26-foot deck on it. Good tires, 96,000 miles on it, not a lot of hours. It's got everything you need. Doesn't look like it's been banged up yet. You get to be the first one to do that. What a nice truck. Long 26-foot bed with a power liftgate on it. It's got everything you need, kids. And it's just sitting here right now. You could be the one. So if you need that truck, you give me a call. Right here at HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. My personal cell phone number, 602-510-5444. And as always, I greatly appreciate you looking.